Are you tired of staring at dry, confusing spreadsheets and dull, lifeless charts? You want to share your progress with your circle in a way that actually sticks? If you're ready to turn your data into something people actually want to watch, you've come to the right place. I specialize in transforming raw business data into compelling visual stories. My process starts from scratch, designing unique vector illustrations and handling the heavy lifting of frame-by-frame animation. I don't stop there. I polish every project with professional voiceovers, custom background music, and seamless video editing. Just send over your data set and I'll take it from there. I'm ready to hit your high standards and make your project shine. Let's get started.